English Kid Box Level 1 Part 2. Four. The cow has 4 legs. The dog has 4 legs. The kitten has 4 legs. Go. I go by train. I go by bus. I go by bicycle. Help. We help our mother. We help our grandfather. We help our teacher. Here. A boy comes here. A boy runs here. A boy jumps here. I want an ice cream. I want some milk. I want some chocolates. In. The cow is in the shed. The dog is in the kennel. The hen is in the hoop. Yes. He is a boy. She is a girl. It is a kite. It is a red ball. It is a blue ball. It is a green ball. Jump. The monkeys jump. The frogs jump. The cats jump. Little. There is a little water in the pot. There is a little juice in the jar. There is a little tea in the glass.